Hi guys, I am back again with yet another DIY facial mask. This is a great ingredient and it is green tea. Now there are so many ways that you can use green tea, but today I will be sharing with you 2 ways to use green tea as a facial mask to fight acne. Green tea has plant-based antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and antibiotic properties in addition to other numerous properties that help reduce the production of sebum. Sebum is that oil that your skin produces, and it is the same oil that clogs your pores, causing acne. It also has a potent ingredient that aids in reducing signs of aging, so it's very good as an anti-aging ingredient. It is very beneficial for your skin, for your health, and for your hair in general. You can ingest it and you can use it as a topical application. Before we go any further, my name is Anthea if you are new to my channel, and my channel is all about simple skincare routines, simple tips on how to do your own makeup, and how to look after your hair. I hope you keep coming back. And please, if this is the kind of thing you like, please do not forget to subscribe and tap that little bell on the right to turn on notifications so you'll know every time I post a new video, and I post a new video every Friday. So that is out of the way, let's move on. The first method does require you to make yourself a cup of green tea. So here is my hot water and I'm going to add a tea bag of green tea. Take the tea bag out and set it aside on a paper towel so that you can drain all that excess water. Open the tea bag and put all the tea leaves, all the wet tea leaves, into a small container, just like this one or any other one that you have. Go on and add 1 teaspoon of honey, and if honey is not good for your skin or you don't like to use honey on your skin, you can use aloe vera gel. And then combine this. Apply this mask after you have washed your face, before you apply any other skincare products. Rinse the mask off with some warm water, just lukewarm water. Moving on to the second facial mask. This one you can even use as a facial scrub. It requires you to have some green tea powder, and don't worry if you don't have that, because I am going to show you how to turn the green tea leaves that you have into green tea powder. We are going to grind our tea leaves further. Open your tea bag and empty the contents in here. Oh, oops, sorry. Just 2 tea bags is enough. In general, green tea masks are very good for all skin types, so you don't have to worry if you have sensitive skin or dry skin, because they are so soothing and they reduce irritation, redness, and even itching. They are very good for minor cuts and they reduce sunburns, so you don't have to worry if you have sensitive skin, for example. It is very safe for you to use these green tea masks. It should look something like this when you're done. So now we are going to strain it and get all those bigger particles out. The green tea powder that is in here is 1 tablespoon, and I am going to add 1 tablespoon of water into it and mix it to make a paste. Using a brush, a mask applicator, your fingers, or the back of your spoon, apply the mask onto your face. with your fingers, exfoliate your skin. This will help get rid of all that dead skin that has built up on your skin. And this is quite messy, so you want to do it over a sink. After 20 minutes, your mask should be a little bit dry or completely dry. So go ahead and rinse it off with lukewarm water. Now, this next step is a very crucial and important step for this routine. After you rinse your mask off, take your toner and a cotton pad and wipe your face. This is so that you can unclog your pores, you can remove all those little particles of the green tea that may have stayed on your face, on your skin when you remove the mask. This can go ahead and clog your pores and also cause you acne. So please, this is very important. Continue with the rest of your skincare routine. Moisturize your skin, put on your sunscreen, and all these other things that you would usually do for your skin. That's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you did like it, please give me a thumbs up, share, and leave me a comment below. And also, do not forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more skincare routines and tips on how to do your own makeup and how to look after your hair. Have yourself a nice weekend. I love you guys. See you next Friday.